Probably applies to 2011 through 2018 Dodge Caravans. Here we go. Let's see if it does it. And here's the blend door. Genuine part. Don't buy anything less. There's your part number. $102 with the shipping. Next, you want to take the battery off and then disconnect this hood release and the brake release from this kick panel. There's two pop rivets in there. Here's the third one. Take that out with the little pull thing, pop this panel off. That's the fastener there. If I can figure out how to disconnect the airbag, and then you take these bolts, this panel off with the bag attached. So I popped this little tab straight out. That's it. Gotta be careful though. If you push it back in, just popped right off. So you pull that out and pull it straight out. So we got that connector. This is a 3/8, a little loose, probably metric, but take this whole panel off. It'll keep that attached. This will drop out of the way, and I should be able to get to. Slips right out. See if we can access it now that we've taken all that apart. So now we're going to get up into that part right there. Take it out. Okay. So he's trying to get the pin to flip up. It's a connector. You got to get off. And it's about the same principle. You flip it, pop it out, which he's got it out, and then you just pull it straight out, I believe. All right, so we got that one screw to get there. Right there. So we're trying to pull this electrical connector out. This will go inside. So there's the connector. Also, you need to really put a piece of foam or something to cover this up, because you will cut your fingers, man. It is sharp. And also, put a piece here, foam, because these tabs get your head too. Place you'll hit your head right there. Okay, so this one, the splines are kind of off the center. And this one, it's got it pointed in the middle. So here's one site, ballistic parts, how to replace blend door actuator Dodge Caravan. And it says, now attach the actuator to the bracket. You'll need to align the splines by rotating the actuator slightly. Screw in the 2 screws and secure the actuator back in the HVAC housing. So to get it in, I stuck it in there and played with the spline, closed the door all the way one way, closed it all the way the other way, and kind of put it back in the middle. We couldn't get it in. So finally I just kind of looked at where the spline was set on the new door, and I lined it straight up, and then I kind of cocked it. I can't remember which way, but I just cocked it to a little bit offset. My daughter just slid it right in there. It's in. There it is. Oh, that's tough. I have little fingers to get in there. Battery's connected. Should hear computer reset. We're gonna give her a try. Turn it all off. All right, we're gonna turn it on. Okay, that should be setting itself, I think the guy said. I've got cold air. I guess you'd have to let it warm up. See if it works. Okay, the blend door button's staying on. Now let's try heat. Yep, works. Cold. Success. Number 20. 1/4 inch. 1/4 inch driver. Need a couple of these clamps to hold the door up. You definitely need a bright flashlight. Screw gun for your taking out your screws for the airbag. Pry your trim off. Part, you need to go ahead and order that from Dodge. Mopar. Takes a while to get here, and plan the day. Screw gun. Things to pad your head.